The Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro. This is the upgraded one. In fact, it is the top of the line one. It's all in one unit. You can see you have the hose, you have the pump, you have everything. All you need in one unit. And it's very portable. So we have the smaller one, the G30, which is really good. We've been using it for about a year now. It's time for an upgrade. So when you open the box, this is what you get inside. You have this piece over here, and I like that it has places for you to put all your nozzles right here. So this one is a quick disconnect over here, and you have this threaded piece over here. So we got that right there. And then we also have these pieces here. So this is the installation kit, I think. So you have your pressure washer hose here. You have your hose for your foam sprayer. You have some tools to mount this to the wall. And you have your top nozzle for your foam sprayer, okay? Then you got this to level install. And then you have a pin, okay? All right, let's see what else we got in here. So you have the user manual. We'll put that down to the side right there. That's your user manual. And then we're gonna get to the good stuff inside right here. Ooh, so there it is. This is the Pressure Washer Falls, and it's a hefty unit. So I'm gonna see if I can pick this up myself. You can see there it is right there with the hose. I believe that's a 100 feet hose, and it's a more flexible hose than the other versions that they have, which makes it easy to move around and not get kinked up. Let me see if I can lift this out. Let me see. There are some wedges on the side. All right, here we go. Pressure Washer Falls Pro. Ah, there it is. Wow. Okay, let me see. Let me put this thing down. Okay, yep, it's a good weight to it. And let me open up the packaging so you see what's inside. There it is. Let me just take this out. There it is. So this has the reel that automatically when you reel it in, it will kind of nest it so it's nice and neat. And this is a 100 feet hose, very nicely organized in an included reel. And then I didn't notice, but here is the foam sprayer bottle right there. You also have your hose, which will connect to your garden hose. So you don't need much, just connect this to your garden hose, and then this one will connect over here, and that's the inline for their pressure washer. Now here's an interesting tip. You actually don't need any pressure from this water. You can just have it a regular tank, and it will be able to pull in the water. So that's why this thing is so awesome, because it is the pressure generating machine right there. So you got the hose right there, and then over here you have your foam sprayer cannon. So this is the cannon. Let me take a look at this. And there we go. Wow. Okay. So what I noticed is this one right here has your foam sprayer bottle. And this will connect onto this piece over here. So this one will connect over here. And then you'll have this one connected here. So we'll set that up later. But I just wanted to show you a quick unboxing so you see how the unit looks. So that's pretty much everything you get in a box. Let me take a look at this, move this out so we can get a closer look of the unit. So they do have handles here and handles over here so you can carry it like that. So I'll put it to the side right here out of the packaging material. So there we go. And of course, the most important thing is you need power, right? So it does have the power right here. This is your power cord. It's a 3-prong power cord. And then here's your on-off on this side. So that's pretty much it. This is the Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro with a 100 feet hose. And this is the upgraded, more flexible hose. You can see right here, it's more flexible, it's bendable, and it's harder to kink. So very nice hose. And then this thing, let me just test out the reel mechanism for you. Pull it out, reel it out, pull it, and it holds in place. Pull it in, tug like that. Nice. Oh, and it does look nice with the extra orange. That's the Pressure Washer Pro. Has a little orange right there. And it has a more quiet motor than the normal pressure washer from Grandfalls. And this is just their top of the line one, the Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro right here.